Tesla's full self-driving system aims for complete vehicle autonomy in all conditions, but currently operates as an advanced driver assistance system at Level 2 plus. This scale represents driving automation levels. FSD currently sits at Level 2 plus, offering significant assistance but requiring driver attention. Newer Tesla models like the 2021 Model S Plaid and refreshed Model 3, Model Y, and Cybertruck feature a yoke-style steering wheel that eliminates traditional stalks for turn signals and wipers. The yoke design creates a minimalist interface where vehicle controls are primarily handled through the touchscreen or voice commands. Remember, while FSD provides advanced assistance, driver supervision is always required. You remain legally responsible for the vehicle's operation. To get started with Tesla's full self-driving system, you first need to purchase it through your Tesla account. You can do this via the Tesla website or the mobile app, where you'll find the option to buy FSD as a one-time purchase or choose from subscription plans. Once you've completed the purchase, Tesla delivers the FSD software to your vehicle over the air through Wi-Fi or cellular connection. For the fastest download, make sure your car is connected to a strong Wi-Fi network. The installation process typically takes between 30 and 60 minutes, depending on your connection speed and the size of the update. Your car will automatically notify you once the software is ready to install and restart. Once the software is installed, park your Tesla in a safe location. This ensures a stable environment for the calibration process. On the vehicle's touchscreen, navigate to the Autopilot Settings menu. Select the full self-driving option from the menu. Follow the on-screen prompts to begin calibrating the car's sensors, including cameras and ultrasonic sensors. Before initiating calibration, ensure all cameras are clean and unobstructed for accurate sensor readings. This calibration process ensures the system can accurately perceive its surroundings through properly aligned cameras and ultrasonic sensors. With no physical stalks, activating FSD involves using the touchscreen interface. Ensure you're seated with your seatbelt fastened. Press the autopilot button on the yoke or on the touchscreen, then tap Full Self-Driving. The system will prompt for confirmation. Keep your hands on the wheel initially for supervision. The system relies on AI and vast data sets to predict and react to road conditions. On Tesla's no-stock models, traditional physical controls for lane changes, turn signals, and wiper functions are replaced by touchscreen and voice commands. This minimalist design reduces dashboard clutter, but requires adapting to digital interfaces. For example, to change lanes, tap the lane change button on the touchscreen. Voice commands provide an alternative. Simply say commands like change lane left or turn on left signal to activate turn signals. The minimalist no-stock design eliminates physical stalks, shifting all control to these digital interfaces. While this reduces clutter, it requires learning the touchscreen layout and voice command syntax before driving with FSD. Tesla emphasizes that full self-driving is not foolproof and requires constant driver attention and intervention. While FSD provides advanced assistance, it has limitations and cannot operate without human oversight. The system will provide visual, haptic, or auditory alerts if it detects driver inattentiveness. Be prepared to take control of the vehicle immediately if needed. FSD is designed to assist, not replace, the driver. Legal responsibility remains with the human operator. Stay informed on the latest FSD updates and safety recommendations from Tesla. Real-world examples show how Tesla's full self-driving performs in various conditions. Owners of refreshed Model Y vehicles with no stock controls have reported successful autonomous commutes through San Francisco's complex traffic. One case study involved a Model Y owner driving 500 miles autonomously, with the system handling dense urban traffic, intersections, and lane changes effectively. The no-stock design required touchscreen navigation for adjustments. Early Cybertruck adopters tested FSD on highways, navigating long distances. However, in a 200-mile trip during a hailstorm, the system required driver intervention due to unpredictable weather conditions, highlighting FSD's limitations. Incident reports, like the 2024 NHTSA investigation into a fatal crash involving a stock-equipped Model 3, led to temporary FSD rollbacks. However, Tesla robotaxis in Austin completed over 1 million supervised miles without major incidents, demonstrating potential in controlled urban environments. The trend is towards software-defined vehicles, with Tesla leading in over-the-air updates that continuously improve FSD without hardware changes. By 2025, no-stock controls have become standard on new Tesla models, reflecting a broader industry move toward minimalist digital cockpits. Elon Musk predicts FSD will achieve human-level driving by 2026, citing AI advancements over traditional robotics. He emphasized no-stock designs as the future of car controls, reducing distractions. Experts caution that while FSD shows promise, it still lags in rare edge cases, with accident rates per mile still higher than human drivers. A 2025 study estimated FSD could save 30,000 lives annually in the US once fully autonomous, but only with stricter supervision protocols. The future may bring unsupervised FSD by 2026 to 2027, as Tesla accumulates more real-world data projected to exceed 10 billion miles by 2026. Regulatory trends favor conditional autonomy, with potential U.S. approvals for robotaxi services in select cities. Continuously monitor and adapt to the latest FSD updates and safety guidelines to ensure a safe driving experience. For now, driver attentiveness is key as FSD is not foolproof. Drivers remain legally responsible for the vehicle.